think the name says it all, really. Australian oil and gas company. Typically, we've been involved in North America and the Philippines. Prior to that, we've had a number of operations in California. The company was actually listed as Australian Oil Company, so it was AOC. I actually think AOK is a better ticker personally. And so it's a rebranding of the company and its history. So it's got from Sagasco, SGC, to now AOK. And as part of that rebranding and as part of the overall, redirection of the whole company, it's to focus more on domestic opportunities, as well as, maintaining our core position in California and looking to grow that out into other jurisdictions. So in short, we've been listed a long time. There's a lot of older shareholders who have been with us for a long time, and they're looking forward to, this sort of new rebirth of the company, if you like. And, I think the name needs to resonate with the company strategy. So from that perspective, it should be simple and people should understand it. With the new rebrand means new people, and new people means new projects. And we're looking at a time right now where we've got a federal election looming. Energy security is a big hot topic with not only people in capital markets and investors, but mums and dads. I think there's a lack of leadership in the industry. There's a lack of leadership in this sector in Australia. And I think there's a space for juniors, and there's a space for us to create our own special niche. You can be all words or action. I think we need to now look to action rather than me just sitting here talking. We've actually got to deliver. People are forgetting two critical things. One, people want to pivot to renewables. They want to transition. So where do the materials come from renewables? Two, how long is it going to take to get there, and what's the bridging fuel, which is gas? And the fact that oil demand's still increasing year on year. I think it's nearly 101 million barrels per day now. They're terrific commodities to be in. So it's people are focusing on investor return. I think a lot of the promise of ESG, those gimmick words, I think have not seen as much in the capital markets the last 6 to 12 months. So people at the end of the day invest to make money, and there's money to be made. And I think it's still a great sector to be in. It's exciting, and that's what we should be doing. What excites me is that a lot of small companies have forgotten why they're small, and that's to move on opportunities quickly, having shareholders that know that the risk they're walking into is, you're going to drill a dry hole, but likewise, it's a 10-bagger. So what do people want down the centre of the market? They want 10-baggers, and that's what gets me out of bed. And you put your shareholders first, and you come last. Your duty is to them. So ultimately, if you're successful, you'll be rewarded. So that's what gets me out of bed.